thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles east of Murray to 9 miles west of Paris Landing State Park to near Cottage Grove, moving southeast at 75 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Paris, Cottage Grove, Palmersville, and Puryear in northern West Tennessee. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Paris Landing State Park, Cottage Grove, Latham, Roughton, Palmersville, Springville, Puryear, Big Sandy, Henry, Mansfield, Jones Mill, Old Springville, Crossland, Como, Brundig, Sunnyside, Whitlock, Porter Court, and Connersville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry and Weakley,